Hi, my name is Corey Levy and I'm one of the co-founders of We Inspect. Today I want to talk to you about HVAC system placement. It's a topic that most don't really talk about, and it's really important to understand. If you're one of these individuals who's suffering from complex medical conditions, it's really important to make sure that the air that's circulating around your home is as clean as possible. And HVAC placement is key in this particular notion. So it's really important that when you're looking at your HVAC system, that if it is placed in a basement area, that the basement obviously is not a problem with any particular abnormal fungal ecology, but the system is not placed directly on the slab floor. If you have an HVAC system placed directly on a slab floor within a sub-grade area, you're going to create condensation differential between the bottom of the machine and the inside of the air handler unit that's going to give excess moisture to the actual HVAC and can begin to allow it to grow mold. We always recommend that if you have an HVAC system and you have to put it in the basement, make sure you lift it off of the slab so that it's not touching directly on the floor. The other place we see a lot of times issues with HVAC systems are ones that are in the attic. Obviously, attics can get very hot and humid, so it's really important to make sure that the HVAC system in the attic is properly insulated and it is allowing for the machine to retain that air temperature so it doesn't allow the ductwork and air handler to begin to sweat. Another issue we see in attic spaces with HVAC systems is how the machine is laid. It's really important that if it is laid on its side, that it's properly pitched so that when the condensation around the A coils, which naturally occurs, happens, it has a place for that moisture to drain out of the HVAC machine and out of the house. One of the final areas I want to discuss for HVAC placement is within a garage area. It's really important that if you have an HVAC system within a garage, that it has a separate closed door. It really is one of the worst places to place an HVAC system. You have car exhaust, a lot of times you have different paint cans. It's not a conditioned space, so it can again cause a lot of condensation issues on the machine. So it's really important that if you do have it located there, that you're keeping up on continuous maintenance with it as well. These are some great placements for HVAC machines, and making sure that you're placing them in the right place is really important. Thanks again for joining one of our great videos, and come back soon.